Welcome to my channel where I teach you how to create online content, the technologies to do it, and how to create online courses. Today we're going to focus on creating a timestamp within your description of your YouTube video. So when you scroll down on my description here, you see the timestamps, and if I click on one, say parts of an NSN, you'll see the video quickly skip to that time. And I'm going to show you how to do that in 25 seconds or less. Now I said 25 seconds, but I think I can cut it down to about 15 seconds. So go to your video editing area of your YouTube studio, click on the video you want to add a timestamp to, scroll down to where you want to add the timestamp, and literally type in the portion of the timestamp that you want it to go to. So you can use this handy video to the right and find the spot. For example, if I wanted to put a timestamp right here at 4 minutes and 53 seconds, I would literally just type in my description 00:04:53, and you don't even need a actual title afterwards. And when you hit save, you will be thoroughly surprised that YouTube actually puts that timestamp in for you. No links, no URL parameters, nothing. So let's check out this video and see if it's there. We're at the beginning of the video as you would normally expect. Let's check out the description and see what we added, if it became a link or not. It certainly is. It's a timestamp for 4:53, and we did nothing but add the timestamp. No links, no parameters, nothing, and it works. If you have any tips like that, please share them below in the comments and subscribe and like this video.
I hope this video was useful, and if it was, leave a comment below, let me know how, and also subscribe. That'll help me grow my channel and continue creating videos like this.